to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty?
Hey Tommies, and welcome back to Atoya at Home. So today, me, Douglas, my son, my godson Trayvell, and my daughter, middle daughter Mamie, will be painting our great room. I'm so excited. As you can see, it's the same paint that we used in the foyer, which is what is, that's how you look, that's how you be on a budget, y'all. This is budget stuff. There is 2 other paint colors and we got those colors from the paint clearance at Home Depot or Lowe's, and they were only $9 a gallon. So you will notice towards the middle of this video that the gray is actually a different color gray, but that's all right. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. We have a whole host of animals in our house. We like to call it the zoo, and hope you like our vibe and consider to be part of the family. Thank you guys.
You don't have to hide it, baby. Let your head down, be a little wilder, baby. Kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you.
So yes, you do see a change in clothes. This is the next day. We started the night before. We went to Home Depot and because we ran out of paint. Now you see that there is a darker gray. We went to Home Depot. This gray was on sale again for $9. So we was like, you know what, this is gonna be darker, it's fine. It's gonna split up the dining room and the foyer, which is good, and it looks fine. So that's all it did. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches and keep it moving.
Still a million miles from you, yeah. So I'm gonna let you Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand. And I'm too deep into win this gamble. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
I'm so proud of him. He's normally a straight A student, and he has started his own car detailing business, and he's only 15. He'll be 16 of the 5th of May. So I'm so excited for him starting his own little business already. He's so driven and so excited about making some money. But he does really well on cleaning cars and stuff. So I'm just so proud of him. He get his tallness from his uncle, rest in paradise, Courtney. He's taller than his dad and he's taller than his mom. But that's my boy. I'll knock him down if I got to.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice. But now I am telling you, I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. Man down, ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. To my body, I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
So we're going to end this on my blue wall. Thank y'all so much for watching. What I meant to say was thank y'all so much for watching Atoya at Home. Do this great room paint budget. Like I said, I'm going to have all the stuff that we used and the prices and where we got it from for the budget, even the paint and the paint colors down below in the description box. Thank you again so much for watching our videos. If you haven't yet, go ahead and join the fam. Become a Tommy and click the subscription box down below. Make sure you like our channel and this video because it helps our channel a lot. And make sure you comment down below who you are and where you're from. And just tell us how you feel. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good day. And as always, we see y'all on the tube.